Hello friends, welcome to Pravegaa Education. Myself Kunal Jaswal and here I am once again with my one more question from the NET June 2024 examination. This question with the ID 705069, this question is from Condensed Matter Physics with the subtopic of the band theory. So in this question, they are saying the band dispersion of an electron in the two-dimensional square lattice is given by this dispersion relation, where we have the dispersion relation as E as kx comma ky, and this is equals to minus 2 times tx cos of kxa plus ty cos of ky. This is the dispersion relation we have, where tx ty are the positive constant, that's the greater than 0. We have to find the effective mass tensor, right? We have to find out the m star effective mass tensor, that is given as mxx, mxy, myx, and myy, right, of the electron, and we have to find this at a pi by a comma pi by a. That means at the boundary of the Brillouin zone, right? That's at k is equals to pi by a comma pi by a. At this point, we have to find out this effective mass tensor. Okay, so for this, we first have the we should know about the effective mass and the expression of the effective mass. Then one of the most important things, how basically we can deal with this effective mass tensor concept. So this thing we have done in the class, it's a quite easy thing. See, let's effective mass basically, as we know, get defined as h² divided by double derivative of energy with respect to the wave vector, that is a d2e by dk square. Okay, and see, this is a simple equation, a simple formula, but if we go for the 3-dimension or the 2-dimension system, then this derivative will replace by the tensor matrix, right? And similarly here, if you can see here that this entire expression d2 by dkx2 has been, this ms star basically has been replaced by this effective mass tensor matrix, right? So let's do it. So it will be nothing but h cut square, and then denominator we will have a matrix form. See, this is a mmx. Mxx means what? You can write like this: del 2e over del kx square. That is the meaning of msx. Xx. For mxy, we will have del 2e by del kx del ky, right? Similarly, what? Wait. For the remaining of the two identities entries, sorry, so it will be del 2e over del ky del kx, and it will be del 2e over del ky square. So this thing we have to find out, and this is a dispersion relation given to us. Let's find out one by one all these 4 entries, and at a particular this point, the pi by a comma pi by a, and we'll put here the value and we'll get our answer, right? It's quite easy. Let's do it. So we have the equation E kx comma ky, and this I'm writing again just for making one more step. So this is given as minus 2 tx cos of kxa plus ty cos of kya, right? Now let's find out one by one all the derivative parts. So first we have to find out del 2e over del kx2. We have to find out this. So once we'll get a del e by del kx. So let's find out first the del e by del kx, and then we will differentiate once again. So after the first differentiation with respect to kx, this term will be 0. This term will be 0, and this term will give you minus 2 tx, and the differentiation of the cos x will be minus sin x. This minus and this minus will become plus. One more constant, that a will comes out, and this will become sin kxa, right? And this part will be 0 because the derivative we have to take with respect to kx. Now again we have to differentiate with respect to kx, so it will be 2 times txa, and the differentiation of the sin x will be cos x. So this will be cos kxa, and again a will comes outside, so it will be 2 txa square cos kxa. This is the value of del 2E over del kx square. But we have to find out at particular at this point, at the pi by a and pi by a. So we have to put kx is equals to pi by a here. So since kx is nothing but equal to pi by a, put the value here. So a and b cancel out, the cos pi will give you -1. So its value will be nothing but minus 2 tx a square. This will be your value. That's the value of del 2e by del kx square, right? Okay. Now similarly, the second term, let's find out. So you can solve it by yourself also. If you take if you find out this value, that's a del 2e by del kx del ky. If you solve this for the dispersion relation, you will get 0, right? Because first you differentiate with respect to ky, then this kx will become 0, right? And then we'll differentiate with respect to kx, then ky itself becomes 0. Then overall this value will become 0. And similarly, this value del 2e over del ky and del kx will also be 0, right? The third term will also be 0. Now let's find out the del 2e by del y2. Del 2e by del ky2, this thing, right? So let's find out in a similar way as we have find out del 2e by del kx2. In a similar way, we will find out this, and I'm writing the direct equation here after what we will get. I'm writing here. So you will get what you have get in the del 2e by, yes. So the one thing will be changed. At the place of tx, you will get ty square, right? At the place of tx, you will get ty. So your value will be minus 2 ty and a square. This thing you will get at particularly at pi by a and pi by a. So all the 4 value we have. Now let's put the value in this equation. So what we had m star is equal to nothing but h cat square by all these 4 factor. So we have minus 2 tx a square 0 0 minus 2 ty a square, right? So this is your answer. If you see the option, I guess option number 3 is correct, right? So finally the m star will be nothing but you will get basically h cat square by 2 tx a square with a minus sign. This is a 0, this is a 0, and again this will be minus 2 ty a square, and in the numerator there will be h cat square. So this is your option. Option number 3 is a correct one. Okay, so option number 3, which is correct, you can see here this option is correct. Okay, so it's a very easy question. This type of question we have solved multiple times in the classroom. Like so the previous year question paper, the multiple times CSIR, NET and GATE have asked this type of question. So it's a very easy question as far as the student point of view is concerned. I hope students have solved this question in a very effective manner. Okay, so thank you so much, and again in a very soon we'll be available with another question. Thank you so much.